In this video, I will show you how to make an inventory system in Scratch. As you can see, if I press 1, it will become square, and 2, it will become circle, 3, it's a triangle, it's spinning, and a diamond, 4. Each item in the inventory can have like a different property, so this triangle can just spin, or whatever you want it to do. So let's just get started. Alright, first, I'm just going to create a new sprite. I'll create 4. So I'll make a square, circle, the triangle. Alright, so I'll rename this 1, 2, 3. Easier. And I'll just call these items. Okay. So first, let's just create a new variable. I'm just gonna name it items. Okay. So when green flag clicked, we're gonna set items to whatever item you want it to be started with. So I'll just pick the square. Okay, I'll call this square. So forever get 3 ifs. If key number 1 is pressed, key number 2 is pressed, and key number 3 is pressed, you will set the items. So set item to square. So I'll just copy this, paste. The second one is the circle. So this will be circle. Circle. And the last one will be triangle. So right now, if we just press 1, 2, 3, yep, it's working. But really, nothing's really happening on screen. So get another when green flag click, wherever, and duplicate 3. This key. Grab equals item equals square. Then we'll just change costume to 1. Then just duplicate this. Item equals circle. Switch costume to 2. And if item equal triangle, we'll switch costume to 3. We see. Yep, it's working. Oh, spelled triangle wrong. Triangle. Okay, should work. 1, 2, 3. Yep, now it's working. And you can put any properties you want for the item. So let's say I want to set the size for a triangle to 50. Oh, and make sure to set size 100 for the others. You want them to be the same. The triangle will only be the size to 50. The others will be set to 100. There you go. You got your own inventory system. Thanks for watching.